Hello, in this video I'm going to unbox the Roco 52461 BR232 locomotive with sound. I'm going to check it out, I'm going to hook it up, see its functions, and especially check out its sounds. So packaged very nicely, a little bag of goodies, going to stay in the box. Let's take this one out. This is the Deutsche Bahn version. This was originally a East German lock. And then after unification, it was obviously taken over and adopted by the new unified railroad. It's got a driver on one side. This was a very heavy-duty diesel locomotive. And while I'm on this, that right there behind it, let's put them side by side, is its brethren from Brawa that currently is in need of some TLC. So since they're sitting here side by side, let's just do a comparison. Obvious difference on the roof. They weigh about the same. Windows are clearly a little different from one model to the other. Let's check the other side. Very comparable, just minor differences in the casting. But anyway, so this one I have to replace the axles because these little gears are split. And you can turn the wheels independently, and more importantly, the wheels will move in and out. And if they move in, they touch each other and cause a short circuit. On the BNLS forum, I found out that apparently these Brawa drivetrains are the same as certain lifelike models. And so I ordered these A-turn parts, the 40-inch ones, and lo and behold, they are the same. The only thing that's missing on them is the white part on the wheel, which I can add. I'm not sure if I will, but I can add. But it's a very inexpensive way to get that locomotive back up and running. But anyway, enough about that. Let's put the Roco one on the test bed and see what it can do. All right, let's start by reading the decoder address. That comes back as number 3, so that's good. All right, let's check out some of the functions, starting with the lights. We have forward lights, tail lights reversing with the direction. Then we have F1, which is the general sound. Horn. Conductor's whistle. This one is lighting inside this compartment right here. Not sure why that's there if the driver's on this side. But I'm sure they have a good reason for that. Door opening. Coupling. uncoupling. Short horn, vent valve, station announcement. Then there's a volume up and down. Which is kind of nice to have without having to go into the series. And then there's a switch function which it won't do, I think, until the wheels are moving. So let's get it in motion. So there's some pretty nice sound effects, especially in considering how quiet the motor is. Lights off. Engine sound off. And let's turn it off. So we take another close look at it. Detailing. I was almost going to say it looks like that window's open. I'm very close to it. Interior of the cab is there too. Roof vents. So again, this is Roco 52461, and it is a very pretty model. My track's not running at the moment, so we'll have to do a static shot of it, but here it is on the track. A very nice model. Thank you for watching, and until next time.